Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to organize your workspace in Notion using folders, but quickly realized that Notion doesn't have a traditional folder feature, then you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simplest, most effective workaround for creating folders in Notion. So by the end of this video, you'll have your pages grouped together just like you would with regular folders, making your workspace cleaner, easier to navigate, and a whole lot less overwhelming. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you might notice is that Notion, as flexible as it is, simply doesn't offer a built-in folder function. I know, a bit surprising, right? But don't worry, there's a clever way to mimic folders using pages themselves. Here's what you'll do. Start by creating a new page. Think of this as your folder. It's going to serve as a container for whatever you want to group together. To create this, just go over to your sidebar, click the plus new page button, and give it a name that describes what's going inside. For example, you might call it Project Docs, Recipes, or simply Folder. This page doesn't need any fancy content. Its main job is just to hold your other pages in one tidy place. Now, once your folder page is set up, it's time to move your existing pages inside it. Over on that left-hand pane, that's your Workspace's navigation area, you'll see all of your pages listed out. Find the pages you want to organize and simply drag each one onto your new folder page. You'll notice that as you drag a page onto another, Notion automatically nests it as a subpage. Give yourself a moment with this step. You can take your time dragging each page, and if you have a lot to organize, maybe start with just 2 or 3, just to get a feel for how it works. Once you've done this, your folder page now becomes a parent page, and all of the pages you moved become its subpages. This structure lets you quickly toggle the folder. Just click the little arrow next to its name in the sidebar to expand or collapse everything inside, just like you would in a traditional folder system on your computer. Suddenly, instead of a long cluttered list, you have neat, collapsible groups, making it so much easier to find what you're looking for. If you're worried about losing your place or messing something up, don't stress. Moving pages this way is totally safe, and you can always drag them back out or rearrange as you like. It's all super flexible, and this method works for any kind of content: notes, databases, project plans, anything you can create in Notion. So that's it. That's the easiest way to create folders in Notion, even though it's a little more like nesting boxes inside each other than creating standard folders. It works just as well for keeping things organized and making your workspace feel a lot less chaotic. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your own Notion organization tips, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And for more easy Notion guides and productivity tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.